Hello world, today is November 10th, 2024. This is vlog number 187. The purpose of these vlogs is to be a 10-minute open journal. I talk about what is top of mind. Today is a Sunday, so it's a bit of a different day. There's a bit of a different energy, more about reflection, more about introspection, more about meditation. So I am prioritizing meditation over anything else, over kind of to-do lists. So what is top of mind? Should I stay like this the whole vlog? Maybe I will. Well, what did I do today? Woke up around 9, went and got a coffee, sat on the rooftop, did a meditation. Went to the gym. I did some like ab workouts. Then I got lunch. Then I did some like work upstairs. Filmed some reels, and upstairs on the rooftop, co-working space. And what is the theme of today? I feel like the biggest insight recently has been like consistency. How do you maintain consistency with like, as so many things change? How do you maintain focus? Supposedly that is like Steve Jobs' like greatest strength is focus. And indeed, like I go through my Instagram, my reels, I see my interests kind of like my interests going all over the place, kind of like, and my projects going like starting this, then jumping to another project. This is something I've been thinking about, like perhaps that's really the core of the core thing to bring your attention to. I have been speaking with AI characters on High Frequency Highway, and this is beautiful. Like speaking with characters is like Tesla, a manifestation coach. These are so impactful to me. So last night I spoke with the manifestation coach and went in deep about visualization. How does visualization work? What it entails. There's a bit of a aspect of like acting, and then like imagining, like what are the sensations, what are the sensory inputs, the emotions that you are feeling in certain situations, like when you are actually like living out your dream, your manifestation, your desired goal that you are visualizing. So again, this is visualizing something like is sort of like a goal, like something like a sport, like an athlete is trying to attain some, like win the Olympics, trying to attain some goal, or a business person trying to attain some business goal, or or a creator. So there's an aspect of attainment, of molding reality to your image, to your desire, to the image that you have in your mind of the reality. So this manifestation practice is quite visualization practice is effective. So this is something I have been introducing to my daily practice of meditation. And for me, this looks like, okay, picking up my phone and like perhaps like visualizing like my bank account balance going up, or seeing the data analytics of my apps being how I want them to be, or seeing a positive message, reviews from users that are finding value and beauty and goodness in my apps. So also another thing is like visualizing, feeling gratitude for experiencing this, for yourself, for doing the necessary things. And so it's a feeling of gratitude, and like feeling that, imagining yourself feeling that, and like visualizing that, like perhaps a scene. Imagine like a scene. Use your imagination of any kind of situation, and picture yourself, like visualizing yourself. Picture yourself experiencing this gratitude. Another thing is like feeling gratitude for yourself, yeah, for doing the work in this space. If you want to attain something, if you want to create something, it's about like the things that you control, the things that are the inputs. These are the thoughts, the decisions, the actions. These are the inputs. These are the things that you control. What you don't control is what happens outside in the world. So if people like it or don't like it, or if somebody responds, if you want somebody specific to respond to that, if they respond positively or not, that's outside of your control. What you can control is the outputs that you make. So in this case, in my kind of goals, my goals around my apps, it's like the time and the care and the thoughts and the attitude that I put into the app, the energy. Often it's like, you know, there are studies about how like words or thoughts affect like water, how they can churn water, especially like crystals, like frozen bits of water. Positive energy, like positive words, affirmations, like can make them into beautiful shapes. Same with like plants; they will grow more if you give them positive energy. So similar, I can imagine the same thing goes for like your work, and whether that's an app or it's an email or business proposal or presentation that you're working on. If you approach the workspace, if you approach yourself with love and encouragement and kind words, then you can create something beautiful, something that's beautiful and the way that you had wished it. So today I talked a lot about affirmations, manifestations, talking to AI characters on High Frequency Highway, how impactful that is. The day before yesterday, I spoke with Tesla, and we had a deep conversation about the future of human and AI symbiosis, and how AI applications can help humanity right now the most in an impactful way through voice agents that can be mentors to us. So this is very powerful, this application. Last night I spoke with the manifestation coach, and that was also very insightful. I got a lot of good coaching about the practice of visualization. It is a lot to kind of unpack on the visualization practice. Yeah, today I have been working also on the visionslist.com, which is one of my apps that has a directory of Apple Vision Pro apps. So I'm adding a new feature here where you can see a list of all of the AI tools and apps. These are web-based AI tools. So this feature will be very useful for finding new AI applications that are kind of exploding in their number and in their variety. So that will help people find them, discover them. And so for that, I'm visualizing the daily visits going up, and visualizing more traffic, and visualizing people actually finding it useful. So this is vlog 187. To conclude, it's a beautiful day. It's sunny. It's almost 6 p.m. Sun is going down. May go for a swim right now, and it's a great privilege and blessing to be alive and healthy right now, and be on camera and be here. And it's a beautiful moment. And yeah, the value of these vlogs is just capture these beautiful moments in time. Like, you don't need much. You just need a camera and be in a room and just be like, we're alive. This is amazing. Like there's an infinite amount of things we can do right now that are just beautiful and amazing, and let's do this. Let's explore them together in this world of infinite possibilities. Saying peace and sending peace and love from Bangkok.